Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing of some Marc Jacob items that I purchased. I shared in my last video that I had purchased some additional items and I was just waiting for them to come in. They are here in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out and get right to the unboxing. Alright you guys, so I have the two items right here that I purchased. You can already obviously see by this bag that I have right here what this one is. Yes, it is another nano tote bag from Marc Jacobs. I posted this on my community page that this was on sale on Zappos for $227.50, you guys. That is almost $100 off of the price on Marc Jacobs website. So I took a chance. I said, let me purchase it, see what happens. You know, I can always return it if it's deemed to not be like a real bag or something is wrong with the bag. And lo and behold, you guys, here she is, wrapped just how I got my other Marc Jacobs items. So I'm taking off the wrapping. It doesn't come in a Marc Jacobs box, obviously, but you know, you can see right here. So beautiful, you guys. I am just obsessing over this pink, you guys. I don't know what it is. I feel like this reminds me very closely of the floral candy pink. So if you have the floral candy, I feel like this looks exactly like that color. Maybe just a little bit lighter, but they're very similar. And so I do have the small size in the floral candy, and I'll reach here and get it so I can kind of show you guys to move some things. All right, you guys, so let me move this to the side and put my floral candy here. I guess they kind of look a little bit different now that I'm seeing them on camera. On camera, I feel like they translate a little. This one looks a little bit lighter on camera, but in person, I would say this is a more vibrant pink. It has a little bit more of a purple undertone to it, and I don't know, this one maybe has a little bit more white in it to kind of make it a little bit brighter, or not as bright as this, I would say. So when I say bright, I mean more like a light pink color, and this has more of a bubblegum pink. This is more of a bubblegum pink, and this has more of a light pink color. So I really love light pink shades of bags. You can see the candy pink, the ribbon pink, and the floral candy. I don't have the Morning Glory to compare to this. I missed out on that bag when it came out. I have my little duffel tote that I unboxed the other day. I do have the little nano charm to go with that bag. But I wanted to show you guys, this is Coach Powder Pink right here on this bag. So you can kind of see how this color, how the Coach Powder Pink stacks up. Let's move that back. So you can see Coach Powder Pink against the floral candy and against the ribbon pink. These are closer in the same family. Now I will say the Coach Ace Tote 26 that I purchased, I do have that in the back here. I don't have any space for it up here, but that pink is very close to this shade of pink, you guys. But just wanted to show you in case you were curious of that shade of pink. So my tote family is of course growing. I know I haven't worn this one yet. The main reason I talked about is because it's bigger than what I would like. And even though I just bought this one here, I do have this one. It's a lot lighter, and this is more of something I would use in the summertime beach bag. I like that this is a lighter material. This one has some weight to it, and so just being concerned about the size and weight of it, carrying it as a crossbody, being bulky on my body. So I purchased this because I am contemplating possibly selling this, which is why I haven't used it. The reason, I wish I would have had gone ahead and just purchased this size in the floral candy, then I wouldn't have purchased this one. But because I do like that this has that pink interior. So I've been kind of contemplating. I just like the interior of this better. The size, not so much. I prefer this size. But this has a brown interior. Let's take off some of this wrapping so I can show you guys what this looks like on the inside here. Alright, you guys. This is the inside of this bag. It is in a red shade. Much like the Morning Glory, but I feel like this one maybe is a little bit darker than the Morning Glory. It may not be, but again, I don't have that bag to actually assess it and kind of match it up to this to kind of compare it. But it does have that red interior. Not a fan of that, but it's okay. So this has all the stuffing that would come with, you know, with it from Marc Jacobs. So stuffing that was on top. The chain or the strap is wrapped up. It has a dust bag, and then it came with this. I'm guessing this is the care card. So, or possibly the receipt. I'm not sure. It's maybe the receipt because I don't see anything in the box. But it came with everything with this item here. So, wanted to kind of show you these three side by side. Alright, you guys. So, this is the first item in this haul. Alright, you guys, so let's move on to the next item in this haul. It is this little cutie right here. This was also on the Zappos website. It was on sale for like $52.50. So, of course, I had to jump on it. I thought that this would make a really nice companion for this bag right here. I do like to have matching accessories with my bags, and so I said, why not? You know, it was not the usual $75. You really couldn't beat that. It is the Marc Jacobs card holder. It's wrapped really nicely. So cute, you guys. I love unwrapping their items, but I hate kind of messing up the wrapper as well. I don't know if anybody else feels that way. But there we are. It has a dust bag, you guys. Wasn't expecting that dust bag. But here she is, the Marc Jacobs card holder in the ribbon pink. So pretty, you guys. So worth it for $52. I know I've paid more for Coach card holders and different things like that. So I was happy to get a little matching one to go with this bag right here. So now I have my little family of my ribbon pink items right here. Alright, you guys, that is it for this unboxing. If you have any questions about any of these items, definitely comment down below. I will link the Zappos page where this is on sale. These have already sold out. Unfortunately, when I saw it, it was only about 4 left. I did post it on my community page, so if you are subscribed to my channel, you'll get to see these first, like when I post them. But unfortunately, you know, I don't have a lot of time to kind of come with the post on my community page, so I just kind of post them whenever I can. But of course, you have the deals. I did purchase these with Rakuten, so I got 15% back, cash back on this right here, you guys, when I purchased these two. So that was like $42 cash back buying these two on Rakuten. I paid $305 total for both of these two, and I got back $42 in cash back. So I mean, that really was a steal in itself. Couldn't have asked for anything more. She is definitely beautiful, and I'm glad to have her in my collection. Even if she is close to that floral candy, I'll probably end up just keeping them both just so I can have an option to have a small bag and a bigger bag. But that's it for this haul. If you have any questions about any of these items, definitely comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Alrighty, bye.